could do that all day. So, what's up guys? Today, a big parcel arrived from Daily Puzzles, so we're gonna unbox all these weird looking stuff and let's get into it. But before we unbox, by now you probably noticed my beautiful hat. Well, probably didn't, but I made you. Haha, I win. So throughout my channel I've been wearing different types of hats. My straw hat, there was a black hat, and now this hat. So Mum was getting sick of me borrowing her hats, so I stole this one. Well, I didn't steal it, I'm not a criminal. So my mum bought it for me, and so I'm wearing this hat, so you'll be seeing this hat in my videos from now on. Yeah, I know, right? Looks awesome, thank you. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are all the puzzles we will be unboxing today. Which one should we start with? I'm gonna go with this beautiful looking Pyraminx. So, you, move out the way. So, this is the 4x4 Pyraminx Cube. So, normally on a Pyraminx, I don't know where my other one is, but normally on a Pyraminx, you have got, it's more of a 3x3. So, yeah, let's see. Finger motion, 360, rotate. Isn't decompression what happens when you're scuba diving? What? Hey? Okay, I'm not even sure now, but okay. Let's open it. Alright, so it's oh god. Oh, that worked. Nothing else in the box. The 4x4 Master Pyraminx. It's quite sandy. I mean, whoa, it's like quite not very good at corner cutting. Tips turn. Do I want to scramble it? Should I scramble it? I think I will not scramble it, because I have a feeling it's a lot harder than it looks, and I'll probably end up messing up. That doesn't even do anything. I'll mess up somehow, so maybe in another video. Alright, on to the next one. I know, I said puzzle, but look, I heard this is really good. My friend and a lot of people online call this their mains for one-handed. So I previously used to use the X-Man Tornado because it's the only cube that was small that I had. Come on. Man, these cubes are hard to open. Stop putting plastic in. Save the iguanas, not iguanas, fish. Come on, please open. Why isn't it opening it?
Much later.
It's not opening. I opened it. It's a nice little box. I might keep this. And just admire that in the background. And this, useless. And now I've got the cube. Alright. Let's do first. Oh, it's in plastic. Hang on. So, this is a 55mm cube, so this might be smaller than normal. Oh, it's very looby on the outside. First turns. This is quite nice actually. It's very looby on the outside though. I really like this. It reminds me of the RS3M a little bit. But if you want me to give a full review on it, I will. Yeah. So, on to the next puzzles. Okay. So, I've decided I'm going to scramble the Master Pyraminx. I mean, it can't be that hard, can it? Like, I can solve a Pyraminx in like 6 seconds. I think that's my PB. So, the approach I think I'm going to go for this is like an L4E kind of thing, which is an intuitive Pyraminx method. We've got a lot of blues, so I'm going to bring this blue here. It's not right center though, so I can match this bit. I give up. This. Right, I'll tackle this monster another day, and I'll try and solve it in another video, okay? Alright, time for something a little bit more easy. Look, I know you're probably thinking, what? Isn't that just a 3x3, right? This, my friends, is called the Penrose Cube, made by a brand called Z-Cube. So, oh, this is so cool. So, it's essentially got 3 sides. So, thinking it's like a 3x3. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Thing is about the Penrose Cube, in principle, yes, but you see here, 1 white side, 2 blue side, 3 red side. Oh, this is so cool. I'm gonna do a T-perm. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that is a T-perm right there. Alright, I'm gonna give this a scramble, just because I think it should be slightly easier. Alright, put this red piece here. Got these 2 red pieces, solve this blue piece. Focus. And then, white, here. And then, so I can do F12, right? Can I do F12? Yes, so it would be with a blue and red piece here, and then got that in here, and then okay, so this is parities, but you're probably going, wait, what? You can't get parity on a 3x3, but the thing is, one of these must be flipped, so all I do now is just take it out and put it back in, or take it out, unflip, then put it back in. Orient it, is it this case? Yes it is, and what is this? Is this a U-perm? No. Oh, this is a T-perm. Yes, this is a T-perm. There we go. The Penrose Cube, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this is cool. Alright, I might do some more challenges and stuff like this later on. Next up, this little fella called the Rubik's Edge. So, the Rubik's Edge I found in a Kmart store. So, yeah, let's get into it. What's in this little bit here? There's literally nothing in there, just... Right. God, what the... Oh, I ain't got... Okay, okay, so... It's literally just plastic. What's the point in that? I need scissors, don't I? I don't have any scissors. Damn it. I'm gonna get my scissors. Where are they? Ow. They're right here. Where are my scissors? Okay, couldn't find the scissors, so we're just gonna... Oh, I got a bit out. Yes! You're free. This is the Rubik's Edge. So let's go with a checkerboard pattern. It's very warpy. Hey, nice. So I'm not sure if this is easy to solve, but wait, hang on. Can you, like, does this thing shapeshift? Oh my gosh, it does. Oh, what have I done? Okay, okay. This should be easy. Okay, so I got it back into, I want to say cube shape, but, okay. I got this here, and then this here, so then it's just this. These two need to swap, I think. I'm not sure, hang on. And then if we do, wait, what? Oh, these twists, that makes life so much easier. Wait, hang on, so then if I do oh, is it that easy? Oh, that's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna give that to a non-cuber, see if they can solve. On to the next puzzle. Now that I've got my confidence restored, it is time for the banana, because I'm getting hungry. Alright, so fanxin, the brand who makes all these, has made a whole fruit series, but I decided just to go with the banana. Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. It's a banana. Well, I know it's a banana, but like, look at that. Now, okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a banana. Wait, can it shapeshift? No, can't. Well, it can shapeshift, but like, yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try and solve it. So, where I got these two bits made up here, okay. Wait, was it that easy? Ladies and gentlemen, the banana. I could solve this like over and over again. This is really fun. This is really cool. I like this. But yeah. Alright, on to the next cube. Puzzle thing. Alright, now next up is the Pyraminx. So the Pyraminx is kind of like it's my only experience with it in the past is I had a friend at a competition who had one. So how's this turn, you may ask? It doesn't turn like a normal 3x3 would. You twist the corners, so not like that, but like this. Oh my gosh. So with these corners, no matter where you twist them, they're always going to stay in the same spot, kind of like the centers on a 3x3. Let's start with white as usual. So we need the white orange piece in here, and then in here we would need this piece. Oh, that was easy. And then we need the white and blue piece, which is what you're doing all the way over here, mate. Alright, there we go. Yellow, yeah, sweet. Okay, okay, so how am I gonna solve this? So, oh no, that won't work. Maybe if I kind of cycle it around somehow, like a 3 cycle or something. Okay, so I just did that thinking, so I'm gonna watch where this piece goes. So down, down, up, up. So that went over here. That doesn't do anything to the corners, so I did a little bit more progress off camera and I got to this. So these two corners are flipped. So I realized I can do sledgehammers, so if I go down, down, up, up, and that kind of does a 3 cycle. I'll figure this out. Hey guys, it's me from the future, and this is about a day after the unboxing, and thought I'd just let you know that I managed to solve the Redi cube. Very fun to solve. If you want me to feature it in a video, make a review on it or something like that, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if there's any challenges or anything like that. Let me know. And for our almost final puzzle, we have got the Quiyi Cube. Cube made by Quiyi, I don't know how it's pronounced, but yeah. So the Quiyi Cube is known for being notoriously easy and hard. As in, what I've heard is it's quite hard but simple at the same. That doesn't make any sense. So so on a regular 3x3, you turn the cube like that. On this, you turn it like this. I'm gonna try and do checkerboard. Hey, checkerboard pattern actually looks really cool. Alright, am I gonna scramble it? Now I'll scramble the next puzzle. It's almost therapeutic. It's like satisfying watching the gears go back into place. There we go. Alright, this for another video. Alright, now finally, for the final puzzle. That was meant to be a lot more angelic and dramatic. So we've got the 4x4 axis cube. Oh god. Oh god. I'm gonna open this up. There we go. Alright. We've got, so probably going, how is this a 4x4? A 4x4 is like 4 layers. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh god. So alright, I'm just gonna turn this upward once. Oh, look at that. It's like one arm move. Oh no. Oh no.
Flashback.
Now I'll scramble the next puzzle. I said I'd scramble the next puzzle. Oh, I've got to scramble this. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, take in this solved thing. Why would someone do this? Why would someone go through the torture? Oh, a deal's a deal, I know, I promised. Look at that. And let's scramble it. Is that a turn? I feel the fact that I can't figure out how this thing even turns, that's a real puzzle. How's this thing? Look at it. Come on, you gotta admit that scramble. Look at that. Look at that. Was once a cube. Okay, it's done. I mean, okay, so these are all the puzzles from the unboxing I just did. The Quiyi, I'm definitely going to be making a review on this. This cube turns really nicely, so you can look forward to a review on that soon. If you want me to solve the Pyraminx, comment. If you want me to solve the Quiyi Cube, like. If you want me to solve this, subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye! Oh, and be sure to smile, cube, repeat. Love you guys.